Okay, folks, this is my update at our camp in Quartzsite at Posa South, LTVA. Hopefully the audio comes out right. This is my first test of it. The road in the distance is the main road coming into the LTVA. And I will take us up a little bit higher so you can get a good view. Sorry for the oddball drone control, or I should say zoom control. That is 95 to the left of the screen. And I'm swinging around looking down at the main road coming into La Posa South. We will move over here and check out if they finally got around to emptying the two big dumpsters and how busy the dump site is. As of earlier this afternoon, they still only have two dumpsters here that were overflowing. And as you can see, that is still the case. But the dump site looks like it's open except for one person. So I will swing back around, open the lens back up again, and run back to my camp. It is a beautiful day here in Quartzsite. And believe it or not, no wind. Way off in the distance, you can see the new water and dump sites for Tyson Wash, but neither one of them are open yet. And as of you might have noticed, it's nice and green. Hope everybody has a great day. Take care.